Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Excel Tech and Tricks. In this video, we are going to solve an error has occurred in the script on this page in Excel. Thus, if you are facing the same problem when accessing the Excel file via browser, then this video will surely help you in fixing it. But before heading towards the solutions, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now, let's move on to fix an error has occurred in the script on this page in Excel using 4 fixes. Solution 1. Add network drive as trusted location. The very first solution you can try is adding network drive as trusted location. To do so, open Excel, click on the File menu. On the left panel, click on Options, then Trust Center. Click on Trust Center Settings, and then Trusted Locations. Allow trusted locations on my network, not recommended. Add the network UNC path as trusted location. Solution 2. Disable third-party browser extensions. Using third-party browser extensions for Internet Explorer may open up the system for a lot of security holes and errors, including an error has occurred in the script on this page. So, you can solve the problem by disabling third-party browser extensions. For this, open Control Panel. Inside the Control Panel window, use the search function in the top right corner to search for Internet options to open it. Inside the Internet Properties screen, select the Advanced tab from the bar at the top. Scroll down through the list of settings to browse and make sure that the checkbox associated with Enable Third-Party Browser Extensions is disabled. Click on Apply to save the changes, and then restart your computer. Solution 3. Register the Urlmon.dll file. The next solution you can try is registering the Urlmon.dll file. To do so, press Windows plus R keys to open up a Run dialog box. Then, type regs for 32 Urlmon.dll, and press Enter to initiate the command and register the file. If you're prompted by the UAC, User Account Control prompt, click Yes. If the procedure is successful, you will see the message DLL register server Urlmon.dll succeeded. Solution 4. Use Excel Repair tool. If you are looking for a quick way to resolve this error, then you can download the Excel Repair tool by clicking on the link given in the description box. This software is designed with an advanced algorithm to repair all sorts of damages, corruption, and errors in the Excel file. Therefore, just try it and see how it works. So, this is all about fixing an error has occurred in the script on this page in Excel. If you found this video useful, then give it a like, share it with other users, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to watch more useful videos. Thanks for watching.